I've been healed. Welcome to episode 1 of Struggle Meals in Iceland. So today, you can see here we are making pasta. Yeah!
Yay! He's a chef! Oh, sorry.
Hello, today we are having a competition. He's gonna fall, look at him go. Okay, Bunny, let's go.
Dude, there's no way I'm letting go of this! What the frick?
She did not make it.
Okay, Han! So Han is the residential winner. He's the
God.
Oh, he tried. No way.
The final boss is like there. On the way there.
That we're incomplete, stuck in circles whilst I'm falling at your feet. Too much talking, wasting both our time. Quit your stalling, you know I'm stumbling back in line.
It's good, it's good.
You know I'm stumbling back in line.
Nice.
Back in line. Can we go back in time? You need me much more than you'll ever say. Don't need me to be the one who got away. Drown it out, no more sound. I'm going away. Away, away, away.
It's so energetic.
Aww.
Okay.
So we've just come another day. And also we couldn't get her to cross, so.
The current looks strong though. That's what I'm
it's
scared
really
of.
strong.
Yeah, it is here, but you have the wire to hold on,
Okay.
and you just.
It's fine, you think?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It's, we went back over that way,
Ah,
so that's okay. And that's not that deep, but not so strong, so that's okay. And then you come another way down. It's really worth it, but yeah, you just be careful.
Can we stop falling, crawling into sheets? However hard I try, I need you close to. But we tried this before, we died as we fell. This boat that we're on is ribs in itself.
are you okay?
Are you okay?
Go up!
And then the wire.
What is she doing? Go up, go up! Okay, go under now! Yeah. That's it! You got it! Yes! Yeah! Oh my gosh! No! That's right! Yes, you did it! Okay, wait, let's make a room for them. Okay, I want to get everyone. Oh, he's halfway done already.
Nice. Oh my god. How many did that?
Yes! Yes! Howie, go up! Choose the upper rocks! Yeah!
Nice, over there. Nice.
Yes! Yes! Nice! How are we feeling?
Amazing. So wow. Oh my gosh. I'm
Buddy,
freezing.
if you didn't want to go, we'll be like, okay, let's go back.
Can we stop falling? Crawling into sheets. However hard I try, I need you close to. But we tried this before. We died as we fell. This boat that we're on is rifts in itself. You need me much more than you'll ever say. Don't leave me to be the one who got away. Drown it out, no more sound. I'm going away.
Okay guys, update. There's yet another river crossing. What do you feel about that?
But it just be a bridge.
Yes,
More time.
I hope going back.
Alright, we are now all getting ready to cross again yet another river.
I never thought you would ever do this. This is all what acting for. Yeah, there's no quitting because
Yeah. Careful. Yes. Yes. All right. We have crossed. I think it's safe to say that we're all scarred.
I fell.
We have all fallen, we've all wobbled.
Oh, I fell. Butt shot. My butt's wet.
Stop telling me it's alright. Stop telling me it's alright. Stop telling me, won't you stop telling me? Don't need me much more than you'll ever say. Don't need me to be the one who got away.
Wait, but the current, it was not like a little water.
Nice.
It was like gushing. It was like,
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Xavier is giving it another go.
Wait, my shoe is free. Oh man, I'm free.
okay, it's not that high.
Go against it. Wait, you're not supposed to fuck it. Oh shit. What the heck?
Why is it